Dong
Organic
Organic
Farm.
and Tourism Cooperative.
You want to take this?
Ah.
Whoa.
We have some very nice
Best cooking guys.
flower. And over here we've got parsley. And some flowers, more flowers.
You try banh mi.
To be honest, the parsley and mint are the two herbs that you will always find in Vietnamese food, almost always. Over here are the corn fields. Have spring onions.
You what? Smell?
This is herbal tea. It's brewed with a mix of
You can sit
various
and then
herbs
you can
such
enjoy
as
this. Yeah.
lemongrass, mint, and basil. It's very good.
Hot tea.
My God, the exposure is off. It's not very strong tasting, but the flavor is very present, very nice. Here is sweet potato,
You want to enjoy
steamed sweet potato, very soft and nice. It's actually quite sweet, with a slight hint of umami, I think. Yeah, very nice. These are fermented.
Keep the bus away.
This is fermented ginger, chili, and garlic. It's all fermented in rice wine.
So you add the ginger into the
Rice
white
wine.
It's fermented in
You do it
rice
at home?
wine.
15 days you keep and
And-
then you spray on the.
And this
Maybe you should try that at
is
home.
sprayed on
Then
the
all the insects won't keep eating our
and this is sprayed on the crop to keep insects away as natural pesticide. Right, so here is the farm's well. There's a lot of animals in here. Firstly, let's start from over here. Is this spider. Whoa, that's crazy huge. And over there, there's another spider. And these huge tadpoles all over the bottom of the well. There's looks like a huge glob of hot tour, but this is actually foam kicked up by the frogs when they are mating. I think frogs do that in the dry season when there isn't much available water, so the males and females kick up a froth while mating and deposit the eggs and sperm into the froth, where they develop into tadpoles without the need for water. Fascinating. Here is a winter melon and lots of sunflowers. I'm actually not very surprised they can grow here. I mean, it's literally a temperate climate as of now. But wow, that's very nice. Especially for me, a city kid, to actually see and know where my food actually comes from. Yeah. And well, I think we're going to head to a boat, which is where we will be going to the river. Right here we are in another basket boat, Well, I think apparently we will be going this ourselves. So, well, let's cook. Let's cook. Here we are on the basket boat. Very nice. And we are being treated to a great sunset view. Amazing, isn't it? Absolutely stunning.